This is the question. The correct sequence of reagents for the following conversions will be. This is the given reaction. We have to find the following reagents which will be reacted with this molecule, so it becomes this molecule. Now its solution. If the molecule is reacted with AgNO3 to OH, the product will be this one, because the hydrogen atom will become OH atom, and when it's done esterification, the molecule will become this molecule. Then you have to do two reactions, first with CH3 MgBr and H2O. So we'll get this final molecule which was given in the question.